It's January 14th, 2025, and we are going to review the Kate Spade website. So this is the homepage. Let's scroll down to the one who is by my side year after year. Very nice, neat, clean cut, matches pretty much the products they sell. It's very classic, simple, leather. They're known for their leather their leather wallets, handbags. They do have jewelry, watches, shoes. It's very some clothing, not a lot, accessories, and I didn't even realize they do have home decor. So we are going to view the handbags. And I'll give you, here's a pop-up. You can get 10% off. So we have a few, here's like 250, 378. So it gives you a rough idea. Expensive, but not like super, super luxury, like over the top, $1,000 expensive. So it's a little high end, but not like that crazy. So affordable. And then you can find a lot of these like half off, especially if you go shop the outlet. Large tote for $378. Over here, you have an open tote. You have a lot of little mini totes. You can shop by price, color. You can sort it. So the logo is just very simple, nothing crazy. You see the white, black, beige, basic colors. Here's the snake. So you have the Lunar New Year. So this is the year of the snake. So a lot of companies you're going to be seeing that snake on a lot of company items. Just having that collection. Then you have wallets for $100. Jewelry and watches. Inexpensive, so like $58. A little pendant for $58, $150. Here's another a snake statement wrap for $128. Set in stone ring set, $148. I like the cute bangles. That's cute. Simple. And then they do have some shoes. Let's take a look. So we have K as in Kate sneakers. So that's $198. And then I don't see any on, like nothing on sale, but they do have like a Kate Spade outlet.com. So if you want to shop, I would go look at the outlet. Accessories, home decor, gifts, and then sale. And now we're going to scroll down to the bottom where you can find most likely investor relations. And we're going to focus on, so we looked at this actually with one of our other websites. You guys remember Coach? Yes, so I showed you that, and then I showed you the careers. So you can view all jobs here, and then you can actually like sort it if you just want Coach or if you just want Kate Spade. And then you'll click on it, and it'll give you more information, the entire job description, salary, benefits, and then you can apply right there. All right, so we're going to go back, and now we're going to check out the Instagram. We're definitely going to follow 3.4 million followers. Wow, that's a lot. And then we're going to go back to the homepage and then look at YouTube. We're going to subscribe, 88.4K subscribers. So this is Kate Spade, New York. If you click over here with more links, you'll probably have, the website, Instagram. You'll have other TikTok, other links here. Joined YouTube 2010. So subscribe. You can watch more videos, multiple playlists, shorts. And then maybe they'll have some community posts. Yes, they do. Cute pictures. I love it. Simple. Kindness. I like that. Very nice. A cute dog. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Till next time. Bye.